There we go. Also, if you're wondering, this is during a stream I'm doing on my main channel, by the way, everybody, on this video. But this is being uploaded to my extra Weather of Overground Extras channel.
At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Lenox, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Country Club Hills, Crete, Preston Heights, Joliet, Olympia Fields, Crest Hill, Beecher, Orland Hills, South Chicago Heights, Sauk Village, Tinley Park, Rockdale, New Lenox, Richmond Park, Crystal Lawns, Fairmont, Bengals Park, Grand Park, Flossmere, Ford Heights, Steger, Mantino, Palmer Glen, and Wilton Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.